Did you know that 88% of shoppers are influenced by online reviews? This is why displaying your reviews on your website can encourage more visitors to buy from you. And even though Facebook doesn't allow an easy way to add Facebook reviews to WordPress, we've got a solution for you. In this video, you'll learn how to embed your Facebook reviews onto your WordPress website in just a few easy steps. If you're ready, let's get started with the tutorial. The fastest and easiest way to add Facebook reviews onto your WordPress website is by using the Smashballoon Facebook Feed Pro plugin. The plugin lets you create beautiful and responsive social media feeds for your WordPress website in just a matter of minutes. To use the Facebook Reviews feature on Facebook Feed Pro, you'll either need the Smash bundle for Facebook Feed Pro or even the All Access bundle, which has all our social feed plugins in one. And once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Next, on your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. Then, at the top, click on Upload Plugin. And here you can upload the zip file for Facebook Feed Pro like this. And then click on Install Now. And there we go, custom Facebook Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can create a feed of our Facebook reviews, we'll need to install one more zip file. Head back to your Smashballoon account and download the Facebook extension zip file you see here. And once again, inside our WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Then go ahead and click on Upload Plugin at the top and upload the extension zip file. Once uploaded, you can click on Install Now. And there we go, the zip file has now been installed, so we can go and activate the plugin as well. Awesome, so we now have everything installed to create our new Facebook reviews feed. But before we do that, we have to activate the license key for our plugin. On the left-hand side, hover over Facebook Feed and click on Settings. And on this page, beside license key, you can copy and paste the license key from your Smashballoon account like this, and then click on Activate. You can do the same thing for your extensions license as well, just like that, and click on Activate once again. As you can see now, our license keys are all active and good to go. Next, once again, under Facebook Feed, click on Extensions. And here you can see all the extensions for Facebook Feed Pro. These extensions allow you to create even more types of Facebook feeds for your WordPress website. And since we're adding Facebook reviews to our website, the one we want to enable is this one here, Reviews. Simply go and click on Activate like this to activate that extension. And there we go, Reviews is now activated, so we can begin creating our new Facebook Reviews feed. On the left-hand side under Facebook Feed, click on All Feeds. Then go and click on Add New at the top. Here you can see all the different types of feeds you can create with Facebook Feed Pro. You can create a feed of posts from your Facebook timeline, you can display photos from any Facebook page, or even videos from any Facebook page, and so much more. In this video, we'll create a feed of our Facebook reviews. So the feed type we want to select is Reviews down here, and then we can go and click on Next at the top. On this tip, we'll have to add a source for our Facebook reviews feed. To select the source, click on Add New. On this page, you can select the source type, and since we're adding reviews for a Facebook page, it's already selected here, so we can go and click on Connect to Facebook. On this tip, you'll have to select the Facebook page where you want to get your Facebook reviews from. Select it like this, and click Next. Now it's asking us for permission to connect Smashballoon with our Facebook account. All this is doing is allowing Smashballoon to view the data it needs to display our Facebook reviews on our website. Don't worry, Smashballoon will not be allowed to make any changes or post on your account, so it's completely safe. So you can leave all these toggles as they are and click on Done. Awesome, so we've now successfully linked Smashballoon to our Facebook account. Go and click OK. And now inside the plugin, you'll see the Facebook page that you just connected to Smashballoon. You can select it as a source and click Next. On this tip, you can select from a variety of different templates for the appearance of your Facebook feed. You have options like the default, simple masonry, widget, large grid, and more below. For this example, I'm just going to go with the default one and click on Next. And just like that, we have our brand new Facebook reviews feed right here. If I scroll down, you can see all our Facebook reviews in a neatly organized list layout. And at the top, we have our Facebook page profile picture, our Facebook page name, Mystic River fan page, and the Facebook cover photo at the top as well. Before I show you how to embed this on your WordPress website, let me show you how you can customize it. On the left-hand side under Customize, head into Feed Layout. Here you can modify the layout of your Facebook reviews feed. Currently, we've got the list view selected where you got all your Facebook reviews in this list. Alternatively, you can go with the masonry layout, or even the carousel layout where you can swipe through your reviews like this. Continuing with the list layout, if you look below, you can customize the number of posts you want to display on both desktop and mobile as well. Once you're happy with the layout of your Facebook reviews feed, go and click on Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the colors for your Facebook reviews feed, go and click on Color Scheme on the left-hand side. As you can see, initially it's inheriting all the colors for our feed from our theme. If you want to change it, you can either choose from the light theme like this, a dark theme, or even a custom theme where you can specify the exact colors you'd like for your Facebook reviews feed like this. And once you have a color palette you like, go and click on Save on the top right corner. The header on your Facebook reviews feed is fully customizable with Facebook Feed Pro. On the left-hand side, click on Header. Here you'll find two different header types you can choose from. The one selected right now is Visual. With this type, you have your Facebook page profile picture, Facebook page name, and the cover photo at the top as well. Alternatively, you can go with the text type as well, which is a much simpler header with a customizable title, which you can modify here. And if you'd like to disable the header entirely, you can do that as well by toggling this off like this. And once again, if you make any changes, don't forget to hit save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify how the reviews appear on your feed, go and click on Post on the left-hand side. And here you have two different post types you can select for your Facebook reviews. The one currently selected is regular, where you have a dividing line between each review. Alternatively, you can go with the box layout, but to see this, let's change the background color. Down here, we can select the background color, open it up, and select any color you'd like for your Facebook reviews like this. And as you can see, each review appears in its own box with a white background. You can customize it even further by adding a border radius, or even by adding a box shadow to help your reviews stand out even more. Once you're happy with the style of your reviews, go and click on Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to customize your Facebook reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it onto our WordPress website. At the top here, click on Embed. Now it will show you a dedicated shortcode for your Facebook reviews feed. You can copy it and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add it to like this, and click on Add. And now on our page, you have two different options to embed your Facebook reviews feed. The first one is by using a shortcode block and pasting the shortcode that we copied earlier like this. Or if you're using Block Editor, you can also use our dedicated Facebook Feed Pro block like this. And just like that, we have our Facebook reviews right on our web page. We can now save this and check out what it looks like on the front end of our website. And now on our live web page, if I scroll down below, you can see that we have our brand new Facebook reviews feed looking amazing, exactly how we designed. But instead of adding your Facebook reviews directly onto a web page, let me show you how we can add it onto the footer of our website as well. Back inside Facebook Feed Pro, all you have to do is go and click on Embed. Now you can copy your shortcode like before, and instead of adding it to a page, we can go and click on Add to a Widget instead. And that brings us into the WordPress Widgets menu. And to add your Facebook reviews to the footer, you have the same two options as before. You can either use the dedicated Facebook feed block like this, or you can use the shortcode you copied earlier as well. For this example, let me use the shortcode option and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier like this. And now it's all good to go. We can update it and check out what it looks like on the front end of our website. And here we are back on our live web page. And if I scroll down all the way to the bottom, we have that Facebook reviews feed that we created earlier on our web page. But if I go down to the footer, you can now see that we have our Facebook reviews embedded directly into the footer as a widget as well. So we've successfully added our Facebook reviews onto both our web page and onto the footer as a widget as well. If you have any questions about what we covered in this video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any technical issues with the plugin, please get in touch with our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.